world champion figure skaters.
I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the Learjet. Holy shit. Holy shit.
What?
This vehicle is going to crash right in front of me. Oh, it did. It crashed. It turned over. Yeah. He was towing a vehicle. He's towing a vehicle and he got the wobbles. The vehicle he was towing flipped over.
Oh my god. That kind of stuff scares me to watch.
How do I let them ghost me? How do I let them flake me in the future? It's happening so often. It's anxious, it keeps them stressed. Then again.
I would have loved if they, after the fire, they reopened it and they had Jim Carrey come in with a comically large pair of scissors.
Oh my god!
They're like, what? That's a 30-year-old?
Could have also come out of the bathroom as fire marshal.
Just did a fucking U-turn. You just did a U-turn. You just did an illegal. You just did an illegal U-turn. I'm a. You're going that way. Where are you going to go now? Oh yeah. I don't think you are. Really? Who's the mug? Who's gone the wrong way? You did an illegal U-turn, now you've gone the wrong way. No, you shut up. Grow up a bit. Grow up a bit. Yeah, hello. Oh, mind that bike. You're dangerous, mate. Yeah, you're dangerous. You might want to calm down a bit. You live longer. Yeah, lose some weight as well. That'll help. Have a diet.
country, many states. Holy shit. Dude, that was a turn lane.
They're all hopeless. He refuses to even go to Bundaberg Hospital. Like he drove all the way. Start event recording.